reported speech, that means narration. Narration means that narration is derived from a word. A verb, narrate. Do you know about narrate? Narrate means tell or say. Tell or say means reported speech or narration means if speakers say any statements or say any sentence in two types. Those are direct speech or indirect speech. Means reported speech also there are two types. First, direct speech, and second, indirect speech. Direct speech means if the speakers explain or say same statements in the speaker's words or same statements words, these are known as direct speech. Means स्पीकर द्वारा जो भी जो है स्टेटमेंट्स अगर सेम वर्ड्स में जो है एक्सप्लेन किया जाता है तो सच टाइप्स ऑफ स्टेटमेंट्स और सच टाइप्स ऑफ स्पीच इज नोन एज डायरेक्ट स्पीच. एंड इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच व्हेन ए स्पीकर्स say any statements in on words or after changing in on words, these are known as indirect speech. means किसी भी statements को अगर स्पीकर जो है एक्सप्लेन कर रहा है अपने जो है ऑन लैंग्वेज में अपने लैंग्वेज में चेंज करके तो such types of speech is known as indirect speech. Now here direct speech are two parts. First part is known as a reporting verb and second part is reported speech. Means a reporting verb also out of the comma and double inverted comma and reported speech also included in reported comma and double inverted comma. Under double comma and double inverted comma, those sentences also given. Those are sentence are 5 types of sentences. Those are declarative or assertive sentence, second interrogative, imperative, exclamatory and optative sentence. According to sentence we change in reporting verb when we are changing from direct speech into indirect speech. So first of all we have to recognize which types of sentence given in your reported speech are under comma and double inverted comma. comma और double inverted comma के अंदर जो है किस प्रकार का सेंटेंस है उसी के अकॉर्डिंग जो है हम चेंज करते हैं रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब को. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अटेंशन टुवर्ड्स आवर रिपोर्टेड स्पीच सेंटेंस. पहला हमारा अटेंशन कहाँ पे होगा? रिपोर्टेड स्पीच के सेंटेंस पे कि विच टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंस हियर गिवन. नाउ हियर रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब आउट ऑफ द कॉमा एंड डबल इन्वर्टेड कॉमा. सपोज रवि said, this part is known as reporting verb. And second, here we are students. This statement is known as reported speech. Now here a question, how to write or how to change direct speech into indirect speech. So first of all we recognize change reporting verb according to sentence. Those are sentence here given. How many types of sentence? So first of all we change some rules here in assertive sentence. First of all, what are the structure or how to recognize a declarative sentence or assertive sentence? Do you know about the types of sentence? Near about all of you recognize are familiar with the types of sentence according to their structure, not according to verb. only according to their structure. So first, assertive sentence as subject, verb and object, and at last full stop. Yes, this is the structure of assertive sentence. Those are negative or affirmative. चाहे वो affirmative हो चाहे negative हो. If subject, verb and object also given, such types of sentence is known as assertive sentence. इसी को जो हम कहते हैं declarative sentence भी कहते हैं. क्लियर है? तो फर्स्ट रूल्स, if assertive sentence are given in reported speech, means under double inverted comma. तो first, if sentence of reported speech are in assertive sentence, then how to change in reporting verb. reporting verb में क्या चेंज करते हैं? तो फर्स्ट reporting verb change as, then reporting verb change as say, says and said. Means say, says, said also given in reporting verb. Say change into tell, says change into tells, and said change into told. When these are changed? When any object is given in reporting verb. Means when any object given in reporting verb, that times we change say into tell, says into tells, and said into told. If any object not given in reporting verb, that times we don't change in reporting verb. Clear है? Means otherwise no change in reporting verb. Means if object not given in reporting verb, that times we do not change in reporting verb. अगर reporting verb में object नहीं दिया है तो उस समय जो है हम जो है reporting verb में कोई change नहीं करते हैं. First rules. Second rules also given, use that conjunction on the place of comma and double inverted comma. कामा और डबल इन्वर्टेड कामा के स्थान पे हम जो है दैट कंजंक्शन का यूज करते हैं. आफ्टर चेंजिंग इन रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब वी एज चेंज ऑफ रिपोर्टेड स्पीच. रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब को चेंज करने के बाद जो हम कहां पे पहुंचते हैं? रिपोर्टेड स्पीच को कैसे चेंज करते हैं? तो देयर आर 4 चेंजेस इन रिपोर्टेड स्पीच. Now how to change in assertive sentence? Reported speech. Next, change in reported speech. There are 4 changes in reported speech. First, there are 4 changes in reported speech. First, change in pronoun. Second, change in tenses. Third, change in nearest words. And fourth, other changes. Means first, change in pronoun. How to change in pronoun? तो 20 बीच बीच में ये Now here first change in pronoun. How to change in pronoun? While changing pronoun, there are four attentions in the pronouns. First, person. Second, number. Third, gender. And fourth, case. According to person, number, gender, case, we change the pronouns of reported speech. During changing of reported pronouns of reported speech, we follow the rules of Section 1, 2, 3. Means what are these 1, 2, 3 are yes to n? Means S for subject, O for object, and third N for no change. In first, these are the parts of reporting verb, and second, these are the parts of reported speech. Means one for first person pronoun, second person pronoun, and here third person pronoun. Means if pronouns of reported speech are given in first person, अगर रिपोर्टेड स्पीच का जो है प्रोनाउन फर्स्ट पर्सन में हो तो वी चेंज फर्स्ट पर्सन प्रोनाउन एज द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब आर अकॉर्डिंग टू द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब. रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब के सब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग जो है हम फर्स्ट पर्सन के प्रोनाउन को चेंज करते हैं. सेकेंड पर्सन प्रोनाउन मीन्स इफ सेकेंड पर्सन प्रोनाउंस आर गिवन इन रिपोर्टेड स्पीच, this change according to the object of reporting verb. रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब के ऑब्जेक्ट के अनुसार हम क्या करते हैं, चेंज करते हैं. एंड थर्ड पर्सन प्रोनाउंस आर गिवन इन रिपोर्टेड स्पीच, दैट टाइम देयर विल बी नो चेंज इन रिपोर्टेड स्पीच. मीन्स रिपोर्टेड स्पीच मीन्स प्रोनाउंस ऑफ द थर्ड पर्सन के प्रोनाउंस में जो है हम कोई चेंजेबल नहीं करते हैं. A question in your mind, what are the first person, second person or third person, this person, number, gender or case? तो we understand here, हम समझते हैं यहाँ पे एक चार्ट के थ्रू. ठीक है, मैं यहाँ पे एक जो है चार्ट बनाऊंगा जो कि वो होगा जो है आपके प्रोनाउन के, वह जो आएगा पर्सनल pronoun का. There are 10 types of pronouns, but we have to study only personal pronoun here. ये clear हुआ? You have studied or have you written about the rules of this? Only in short we explain here. केवल हम यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं, शॉर्ट में एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं. ये सारे रूल्स जो है प्रीवियस क्लास में आप लोगों ने जो है लिखा होगा. लिखे ना सारे रूल्स. 9th के जो इंग्लिश ग्रामर की जो बुक कॉपी नोटबुक मैंने बनवाया था वह सभी के पास नियर अबाउट होगी. उसी को हमें जो है यहाँ पे जो है रिवाइज करना है. क्लियर है? First of all, understand about them. Means personal pronoun. Personal pronouns are there are three person, first person, second person, and third person. First person and second person also in common gender. ये हमेशा जो है common gender होते हैं, first person and second person. And third person there are masculine gender is and C, these are feminine gender, and it neutral gender, and last they is also in common gender. Means third person included in 4 genders, but first person and second person always in common gender. Means in the first row given there are 2 up and down. These are up, these are in singular number. प्रत्येक में जो है ऊपर वाला जो है क्या है, सिंगुलर नंबर शो कर रहा है, और नीचे जो है आपका प्लूरल नंबर. देयर आर 2 नंबर्स इन इंग्लिश ग्रामर आर नाउन्स. फर्स्ट सिंगुलर नंबर एंड सेकेंड प्लूरल नंबर. इन सेकेंड पर्सन यू एंड यू, these are singular and plural, both these are used, and you in subjective case and you also objective case. How to recognize subjective case and objective case? तो if you used before main verb, अगर main verb से पहले you का यूज हुआ है, that times you is subjective case. ये क्या है, जो है subjective case में है. वही जो है after main verb if we use you, अगर यू का यूज जो है ऑब्जेक्ट मेन वर्ब के बाद हुआ है तो दैट टाइम्स इट इज इन ऑब्जेक्टिव केस. क्लियर है? नोट्स में तुम लोग को जो है राइट भी करवाया गया है. नेक्स्ट है ही, मैस्कुलिन जेंडर, इज ऑब्जेक्टिव केस हिम एंड पॉसेसिव केस हीज. एंड सेम वे सी, हर आर हर, एंड इट एंड इट्स, they, them, their. According to person, number and gender, we change pronoun of reported speech at the same way according to the pronouns are subject or object of the reporting verb. reporting verb के pronouns के अनुसार ही हम क्या करते हैं, रिपोर्टेड स्पीच के प्रोनाउन को जो है चेंज करते हैं. जैसा कि रूल्स अभी मैंने बताया, सन एंड 1 2 3 means 1 for first person, 2 for second person, and 3 for third person. अगर इनमें से if फर्स्ट पर्सन प्रोनाउन, इसमें से कोई भी जो प्रोनाउन दिया है फर्स्ट पर्सन का, तो रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब में देखेंगे कि सब्जेक्ट किस में है, फर्स्ट पर्सन में है कि सेकेंड पर्सन की थर्ड पर्सन, तो उसी के अकॉर्डिंग जो हम फर्स्ट पर्सन को चेंज कर देते हैं. इफ you means second person also given, that times we change according to person, number and gender case of the object of reporting verb, and third person there will be no change in reported speech pronouns. reported speech के pronoun में अगर जो है थर्ड पर्सन दिया है तो उसमें जो है कोई चेंजेबल नहीं करते हैं. according to this we change in pronoun, इसी के अनुसार जो हम pronoun का चेंजेबल करते हैं. अब जो है